just turned on the video camera again to be sure to record if the next thing I'm going to try is fixing anything, just for the moment as a workaround. So turning off the car, and now I'm going to lock it. So I pressed the lock button, all doors have been locked, the windows have been flapped to the side of the car and still beeping. So actually the car thinks no one is in right now. This is indicated over here. There is some all right, now it's gone. So it seems to take a few seconds after you shut down the car completely and lock it, or maybe you just have to be patient after shutting down the car and not locking it, but not sure about this. So again, turning it on, just unlock the doors, pressed the power button, short initialization beep, and there it is. Okay, so this seems to be a workaround. Yeah.